Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Abby. I graduated from UCA with a marketing major in May 2017. Also had Spanish and honors minors too. At UCA, I ran track and cross country for 4 years, and I studied abroad in Costa Rica for a summer and Germany for a semester, where I learned about how Germany does business, and I learned more about the German culture and language as well. When I came back to UCA, I worked at Buckle for 3.5 years, where I started off as a sales and management intern, where I chose the Department of Girls' Shoes to grow, which I was able to grow over 200%, which was really, really great. And then I worked as a team leader, and then I was a manager in training for 8 months, where I was focused on recruiting and hiring new employees and training them, and also figuring out where to place the product in the store. And I had to manage all the departments in the store and try to increase our sales as each week went on. I also sat in on conference calls with other managers in training and other higher ups in the company where we talked about our goals and how to reach those. And it was a competition to see who had the best hypothetical answers. And then I decided to switch gears and I worked at a healthcare company called Rockman Solutions, where we made software, and I was the sales and marketer for the company. And I made cold calls to sell our business intelligence tools, and I made marketing campaigns to send to pharmacies and hospital customers of ours. And I also did demonstrations of our business intelligence tools, so I learned a lot about technology and how to market to different businesses, which is really a great skill to have. And now I'm at UCA as a graduate assistant, and I will graduate this May with my MBA, and I'm very excited about that. And here's a business card for you for the future, and I hope to see you around. Thank you very much.